As you can see, the universe is telling me to be alert this morning. Truck and trailer pulled out in front of me, and then a car tried to make a turn. Maybe it didn't see me, maybe it did. Stay alert. Happy Wednesday, 37 degrees. 6:55 in the morning. We had a basketball game last night. I didn't get home till 10. Alright, we're in second gear, but we got a truck in front of us, so I can't fully accelerate. So I'm gonna let him go. Let him get some space between me. Alright, he found a lane. My turn. Second to third. Third to fourth. Signal left. Blind spot. Fourth to fifth. Blind spot again. I'm going fast lane. Fifth to sixth. See you later, truck and trailer. Cancel signal. I'm gonna catch this other truck up here. Let's get this day started. 75. Signal right. Slow lane. Change song. Cancel signal. We got Popo out this morning. Signal right. Downshift. Here comes a bus. Let's beat this bus. Oh no. That's why I need a wireless mic, man. I got caught up on my mic. Yeah, you shouldn't have these wires dangling, but if it ever came to it, I'd just rip this thing to do whatever I had to do. Just gonna stop messing with it. Boy, I hurt myself. Alright. Let's go. Second gear. Third gear. Cancel signal. Fourth gear. What's this light gonna do? We gonna stay green? We gonna stay green? Oh, we committed already. Fifth gear. Let's go. No merging traffic. Let's go. Sixth gear. This is usually the part of the drive where I ain't got much to say, so I fast forward when I edit. Unless something pops up, I'm gonna continue singing. Going 20. Throttle, slowly release clutch. We out of here. Third to fourth. Oh, look at all this. Look at all them cars. This is why I leave early to work. I'm not about this. Thank you very much. Yeah, this morning it's 37 degrees. Tomorrow, I think it's gonna be. Okay, so this morning was 37 degrees with a high of like 60. Tomorrow in the morning, I think it'll be like 40 degrees with a high of 71. And then on Friday, we're gonna go back down to 36 degrees in the morning with a high of like 62. Welcome to the Monterey Bay. We don't know what we're doing out here. I got a pedestrian up here. I gotta let him go. Oh no, he's going to school. It's not a pedestrian, it's a student. 5th to 4th, 4th to 3rd. Let's go to work. The greatest, that is a vow, yeah, that is a promise. You're real, you're just being honest. It's a promise. Just being real, you're just being honest. There she is. Thanks for riding with me.